Hi, today I'm going to walk you through enabling and customizing customer self serve with Beyonk. Customer self serve lets your visitors easily reschedule their bookings. It saves you time, cuts down admin, and keeps your customers happy with instant flexibility. So, I'm going to walk you through how to set that up. First and foremost, you go to the apps section, go to Discover Apps if it's not already enabled, find Customer Self Serve, press View, enable it. Once enabled, you have a couple of options here. So, here you have a cutoff time. And with this cutoff time, it's pretty flexible between days, hours, and minutes. And this is, as it says, the cutoff time for someone to be able to reschedule. So for this experience, someone can reschedule up to 7 days before the time slot starts. There's also a booking protection where if you have it at $0/pounds, then anyone can reschedule for free. But some businesses charge for a booking protection. It is up to you and it's up to the business. But if you do charge, then someone will have to pay this amount before they're able to reschedule. From here, I'll just turn it off and I'll just press save. One thing I'll show you is how to customize your customer self-serve so you can have bespoke customer self-serves for different experiences. So for instance, for this Winter Wonderland admission, if I go to edit and I go to customer self-serve, it has the custom settings. You can have the default settings, which would be the 7 days, or you can have custom settings, which will basically mean for this specific experience, the cutoff time is 72 hours rather than 7 days. So if different experiences, if you want different cutoff times, then you can go ahead and enable that. From there, you just press save and next, and it will be saved. And that is how you enable and customize customer self-serve. I hope this was helpful for you, and make sure to check out more of our videos so you can learn the full Beyonk ecosystem.